Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss next part of chapter 11. Question number 5. Example 5. Diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that AO upon BO equals CO upon DO. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. These type of questions, first mention given part, proof part, and then solution or proof. So first given part is quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD intersect its diagonal each other at a point O, and what will we prove? To prove AO upon BO equals CO upon DO, then ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, now first mention trapezium means in trapezium we know that two sides are parallel and other two sides are non-parallel. Okay, two sides are parallel. It means ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium na. Okay, in trapezium diagonals intersect. First diagonal AC, second diagonal BD. Diagonal intersect at point O. Okay, according to question mentioned. And now here we will construct OE. OE parallel to DC and OE is also parallel to AP. Okay, we construct part O to E, OE parallel to DC and OE parallel to AP. Construction: draw ABCD like trapezium and draw OE parallel to AP or DC. Okay, now ABCD in triangle ABC. Now we taking proof part. What will we prove? AO upon BO, CO upon DO. Okay, so by Thales theorem used in triangle. So here in triangle ABC, this triangle, in triangle ABC, by using Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, BPT. Thales theorem, AO upon OC equal BE upon EC. Equation first. Again in triangle DBC, second triangle. Okay, in this triangle using Thales theorem. Okay, means ACB and DBC. In these two triangle, BC is common na, therefore in DBC triangle using Thales theorem, DO upon OB equal BE upon EC. Equation second. By equation first and second, right hand side are equal BE upon EC. Therefore left hand side are also equal. So AO upon OC equal DO upon OB. By equation first and second we get AO upon OC equal DO upon OB. Okay, now therefore OE parallel to AB, and OE parallel to DC, or CD. Thus AB parallel CD. Thus AB and CD are also parallel. Therefore, hence ABCD is a trapezium. Because in trapezium opposite side are parallel. Okay, two sides are parallel na, other two sides are not parallel. Okay, again trapezium ABCD intersect each other at point O, its diagonal. So draw ABCD, first diagonal AC, second diagonal BD. AC and BD intersect each other at O. Join OE parallel to DC, OE parallel to AB. Okay, using Thales theorem, first triangle ABC in this triangle, AO upon OC, BE upon ED, equation first. Second triangle DBC, DO upon OB, BE upon EC. By equation first and second, we get AO upon OC, DO upon OB, OE parallel AP, OE parallel CD. Therefore, AB parallel CD. Hence, ABCD is a trapezium. Complete. Now, next question. Exercise 11.1. In exercise 11.1, only fill in the blanks, okay, and true or false. Try yourself. If you have any doubt, then write your doubts and write your comments in comment box. Okay, now exercise 11.2. In exercise 11.2, question number first and second, try yourself. Okay, similar as based on example first and second. Okay, example first and second, yesterday we were discuss example first and second na, same as question first and second. Okay, now question number third. Question number third is, in given figure L, M and N are situated on OA, OB and OC respectively, such that LM parallel to AB, MN parallel to BC, then show LN parallel to AC. Okay, this diagram is given ABC. Okay, diagram is given ABC. It means diagram is given ABC. Okay, O. This one LM. LM parallel to AB. MN parallel to BC. LN parallel to AC2. AB and LM parallel. MN parallel BC. Okay, we prove LN parallel to AC. Okay, now using Thales theorem, in Thales theorem, first triangle AOB, AL upon LO, BM upon MO. Okay, second triangle BCO. Then using Thales theorem, BM upon MO, OL upon NC. By first and second, we get AL upon LO, ON upon NC. Therefore, this one is also parallel. Okay, now first given part mention, triangle ABC, L, M and N are situated on OA, OB and OC respectively, such that LM parallel AB, LM parallel to AB, MN parallel BC, MN parallel BC. Okay, then proof. In triangle AOB, in this triangle, by using Thales theorem, LM parallel AB, LM and AB parallel. Given part mentioned by Thales theorem, OL upon LA, OL upon LA, OM upon MB, OM upon MB. Equation first. Again in triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, again using Thales theorem, MN parallel BC given, therefore OM upon MB, OM upon MB, ON upon NC equal ON upon NC. Equation second. By equation first and equation second we get, by equation first and equation second we get equation first OL upon LA equal OM upon MB. Equation second OM upon MB ON upon NC. OM upon MB ON upon MB equal na, therefore OL upon LA equal ON upon NC. OL upon LA equal ON upon NC. Equation third. Okay, therefore by equation third in triangle AOC, in triangle AOC, third triangle is AOC. In this triangle we can say that LN parallel AC, LN parallel to AC, hence proof. Okay, again triangle is given LM parallel AB, MN parallel BC. We prove LN parallel to AC. First given part mention, second to prove part mention, third proof in triangle AOB using Thales theorem. OL upon LA OM upon MB, OL upon LA OM upon MB. Again in triangle OBC using Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. OM upon MB ON upon NC. Equation second. By equation first and second we get OL upon LA ON upon NC. Therefore we can say that according to triangle AOC LN parallel to AC. Okay, next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is in triangle ABC points D and E are respectively situated on AB and AC such that BD equals CE. If angle B equal angle C, then show that DE parallel to BC. We show DE parallel to BC. DE and BC are parallel. Okay, triangle is given, so mention diagram according to given question. Triangle ABC, ABC. D and E are respectively situated on AB. D is situated on AB. We let D is midpoint of AB and E situated on AC, so E on AC. We join D to E, so DE. Given part BD equals CE, so first mention given part triangle ABC. D and E are situated on AB and AC. Angle BD equals CE. BD equals CE. This one is given. BD equal CE. And angle B equal angle C. Angle B equal angle C. Okay. Therefore, to prove what will we prove? DE parallel BC. DE parallel to BC. Proof in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, given angle B equal angle C. Angle B and angle C are given. Opposite angle are given. Opposite angles are equal. Given, then their opposite side are also equal. If opposite angles are equal, then their opposite side are also equal. Okay. Basic proportional by CPCT na, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are also equal. Therefore, opposite angles are equal, then their opposite side are also equal. Okay, so angle B equal angle C, then AB equal AC. Opposite angle equal, then opposite side are also equal. So AB equal AC. AB equal AC. Opposite side of equal angles in triangle are always equal. It means opposite angles are equal, then their opposite side are also equal. Okay, so AB equal AC, AB equal AC, AB equal AC. Then AB means AB means AD plus DB. AD plus DB na. So AB equal AD plus DB. AC means AE plus ED. AE plus EC. Okay, so AE plus EC. And given in question, BD equal CE. BD equal CE. BD equal CE na, therefore remaining part AD equal AE. So we mention hence AD equal AE, AD equal AE, hence AD equal AE and BD equal CE. BD equal CE given, so AD equal AE. Therefore, thus by basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB equal AE upon EC. AD upon DB, AE upon EC. Thus, DE parallel to BC by basic proportionality theorem. So, DE is parallel to BC and D is also half of BC. Okay, again, given part mention first to prove. What will we prove? DE parallel BC. DE parallel BC. Okay. Given part DB equal DE and angle B equal angle C. Opposite angle are equal. Then their opposite side are also equal. So AB equal AC. AB equal AC. AB means AD plus DB. AD plus DB. So AD plus DB. AE means AC means AE plus EC. AE plus EC. And according to question, given part DB equal EC, DB equal EC, then AD equal AE, AD equal AE. So BD equal CE. According to Thales theorem, AD upon DB, AE upon EC, AD upon DB, AE upon EC. Thus, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC by basic proportionality. Okay, next part. Question number 5th. Question 5th is in figure DE parallel BC, DE parallel BC and CD parallel EF, CD parallel EF. Then prove AD square equal AB into AF. Okay, now. First given part mention, given part is DE parallel BC, DE parallel BC and CD parallel EF, CD parallel EF. Then to prove, what will we prove? AD square equal AB into AF, AD square equal AB into AF. Proof, what will be? So solution now. In triangle ABC, first triangle ABC, bigger triangle. Okay, in bigger triangle AB upon, given that DE parallel BC, DE and BC parallel. So using Thales theorem, AB upon AD, AB upon AD, AB upon AD. Similarly, AC upon AE, AC upon AE. Equation first. Now again, now in triangle ADC, this one triangle ADC. Again using Thales theorem, AD upon AF, AC upon AE, AD upon AF, AC upon AE. Equation second. By equation first and second, we get AB upon AD, AB upon AD, AC upon AE, AD upon AF, AC upon AE. AC upon AE, AC upon AE equal, right hand side equal, then their left hand side are also equal. So AB upon AD equal AD upon AF. Then by equation first and second we get AB upon AD, AB upon AD equal AD upon AF equal AD upon AF. AD upon AF. Now here by cross multiplication, AD into AD, AD square, AB into AF, AB into AF, and we prove AD square equal AB into AF. So hence proved. Okay, again triangle ABC. First triangle ABC. Okay, in this triangle D and E. So first triangle AB, mention using Thales theorem, AB upon AD. So AB upon AD. In this triangle AC upon AE. AC upon AE, AB upon AD, AB upon AD, AC upon AE, AC upon AE. Equation first. Again second triangle DC parallel to EF. Here F point mention. So DC parallel to EF. Again triangle ADC. This triangle. Okay. This one triangle AD upon AF. So AD upon AF equal AC upon AE. AC upon AE. By equation first and second, AC upon AE, AC upon AE. These two are equal. Then AB upon AD, AD upon AF is also equal. So AB upon AD, AB upon AD equal AD upon AF. By cross multiplication, AD into AD, AD square equal AB into AF, AB into AF. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. Complete. Question number 5. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. Question 6 similar as example 5. Try yourself. If you have any doubt and any query or any question, then write your doubt, query or questions in comment box. Okay. And if you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Okay. Thanks.